One of the most relevant is the one where Paolo has been contributing from Entity Data Italy, the development of the SMO as part of the OREX initiative. Please, Paolo, explain us a little bit about the context and the status of this exciting initiative.
Thank you. Very quickly. Not Entity Data Italy, but Entity Data Group is working with the Common Friends and dealing with Open RAN. Dealing with Open RAN means to deal with the network layer of 5G solutions. And that's why Entity Data is developing a suite of products capable to enhance the network layer with some features related to the easy-to-use improvement, the automation in the delivery processes, and also in the operation and maintenance for service and resource management. This is more or less what we are doing in OREX environment, thanks to the Common Friends, in a multi-vendor Open RAN environment, where our accountability is to develop the service management and orchestration layer, which is a software layer capable to make, let's say, three major things. The first one is to create the communication services, so the connectivity. This means that we can create, in an automatic way, a topology network capable to connect all the radio stages where the users attach to the network with all the applications that are part of the use cases that are deployed at the edge or centralized in cloud or on-premise. This is done automatically, and the Open RAN components of the network function are instructed by our software in order to implement the topology that has been created. In case one of those network functions is not available, there is the other second point that we have in accountability, that is to create the network services, so to deploy the containerized network functions in order to be aligned with the network topology that has been already created. The third point is to manage the assurance and the fulfillment of this solution in order to be capable to be notified about the alarms or the failure conditions for the physical components, and be capable to give the same information about the service layer, so the communication service, and finally, the application services, so the use cases. This is a very important experience for us, also because we see the importance to have automation and easy-to-use modeling. Everything is done by using open interfaces and standardized model. This software has been developed by using 5G enabling fabric platform. This is a part of the product portfolio of Entity Data Group for the sake of the slice management cross-domain, so not only on the RAN stage, but also in the core network stage. We're also adding another product that is capable to deploy at the edge, but not only, containerized solutions, not just for the network function, but also for the applications. Not just a commodity, but being aligned with the network slicing, so the topology that is created for the whole use case. I think that this is a good way to make into concreteness that the operators can have the opportunity to manage in dynamic way their resources in order to save money and optimize their infrastructure. But on the customer side, as a potential consumer of 5G technology, there is the opportunity to get resources when they are needed, where they are needed, for the time is needed, and pay for them only. This is another experience that we are getting from OREX environment. Maybe I'm going over the time, so I leave you back.
Thank you very much, Paolo. Really interesting what you said. Just for finalizing, we have short time. I would like that you, that have a very strong experience around 5G, could provide some messages to the audience regarding how do you see the future and what is needed for the near future in the adoption of 5G. Very shortly, because we have only 30 seconds.
Okay, we believe that our activity, OLX, can block the barrier and accelerate telecommunication industry innovation. So my final message to audience is let's realize truly open network with OLX. Thank you.
Okay. we don't have more time, so thank you very much.
Just a final comment could be to adopt such technology for the neutral host environment, that it's something that the market is starting to analyze, and maybe this is the same technology that can be applied.
Thank you.
Thank you very
Paolo.
much.
Thank you very much to all of you.
Thank you.